Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we've got something really cool to share with you all. Have you ever thought about having a high-tech smart gate at home? Well, in my mind, right, most regular gates and auto gates usually open outwards. But guess what? Here in Malaysia, there's actually an auto gate that opens upwards. And the first time I saw it, I was like, wow, so cool, so awesome, just like a transformer. So, aren't you curious about how this auto gate looks like? Let's go! So currently we're in a residential area here in KL, and come! Check this out! This is the gate we were talking about, the fan wave vertical gate from Rainbow Gate Specialist. And guess what? The engineer from Rainbow Gate Specialist is here with us today. So let's go say hi to him. Hello!
Hi!
Nice to meet you. So we have the engineer here with us today. And hi, how may I address you?
Hi, my name is Neil.
Neil. So nice to meet you, Neil.
Thank you.
Could you show us how this product actually works?
Yes, of course.
Wow, that's so cool! So slick, so nice, I love it! So could you briefly introduce to us the concept of this gate to our audience?
So basically, this is our 5S gate, also known as the fan wing. This inspiration is by our fan wing product and also the ancient hand fan. You know our traditional Chinese hand fan?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's inspired by that. The difference between this gate and the others is the opening method. This gate open vertically. Alright, the main reason of this auto gate revolution is our boss, Mr. Chong. He wanted to make something different, something special, something unique. And not only the outlook and the wow effect, but also the ability to save space. Let's take a look at the material.
Let's go!
Alright, as you can see, the material, 90% is the aluminium and it's a floor mounted. The features such as the aluminium panel come together with the interlocking system. Okay, this profile installed with our tensile spring system, the TSS, and the attractor. Have a look at the attractor.
Oh, okay.
Right, this attractor produces 2,800 Newton meter of torque. This is a very powerful motor.
Wow.
And it is specially custom made only for this gate. So only us having this.
Wow, that's so cool!
Yes, and together all the features, these features is the key point to make the gate so strong, very strong, oh strong. Alright, we even stand this for the wind test and it stand up to 90 km per hour of wind speed.
This is definitely not something I can see every day here in Malaysia,
Yes,
at least not for me. Also, I actually heard there's something called 5S from your gate, right? May I know what's the meaning of this?
Yes, of course, 5S, okay, also known as the fan wing. This 5S actually stands for 5S. S number 1, safety. Alright, number 2, space saving. Number 3 is solid. Number 4 is smooth. Number 5, smart. You even can use our smart system to control the gate.
Wow! I noticed something really interesting here. So when I was coming here, I noticed that the street here is pretty flat.
Yes, it
so
is.
most of the houses here, they don't do auto gates. So could you share with us more about this particular project?
Oh yes, I remember the first day, me and my boss, Mr. Chong, and the team, when we arrived here, we see the condition of the uneven flooring. As you can see, one side is higher, one side is lower. So the difference is about 30 cm. When we first seeing this, we feel shocked. We know that this one could be the big challenge and challenge accept. We go back, we do some study, we run through some tests, and then we understand about the error. Final, this is the perfect answer for the uneven flooring.
Ah, I see. So RGS Gate is actually here to solve any difficulties from any different situation. That is so cool and so amazing.
Yes, you are right.
Is there anything more that you would like to share with us about the gate?
So have a look at this part. This gate actually is our second generation and the latest generation. The first generation actually come with the scissor bar here. Alright, and this is the latest version without the scissor bar. So you will see now it's simple and clean design.
I love how simple and nice it is. It
Thank
definitely
you.
gives a high-tech vibe to the gate.
Yes.
Wow, I finally get to meet the homeowner in person today. Hi Edward, nice to meet you. So I kind of have a question for you. May I know why did you choose the 5S gate instead of those traditional gate? And could you maybe explain to us a little bit about your house condition?
Yeah, so the problem that we had because the road was really narrow. So if we use those normal conventional gates and the gate open, what happened is that it takes up half of the road and making it very difficult for us to turn out. So that was the first problem. Second was because my house actually on a slope. So when that happens, it's like a lot of the gate that was available couldn't support the weight on one side on the motor. So we managed to find this, which was really strong. Yeah, and it worked for us. And also, it made our life easier. It wasn't so difficult for us to turn out.
I can see that you are really satisfied with the RGS gate. Then may I know, where did you come across this product? Was it through the internet or through any exhibitions?
I actually found you guys on TikTok. Yeah, and TikTok, and got targeted after that.
Oh, nice. Well, thank you for sharing with us. Wow, after hearing from the homeowner and the engineer, it is clear to me that this RGS gate solves a lot of small annoyances. Not only is it super functional, but it also gives a high-tech vibe to the house. I'm a little bit tempted to get one myself, but I guess I'll have to wait until I get my own place first. If you think that this RGS gate is perfect for your home, don't forget to check out RGS for more info. I will leave their website and their contact details down below here for you all. And also don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us for more info.